How y'all doing this morning there at YouTube land? Listen, we're out here at Panther Creek this morning. We've got Terry Malone. He's the owner of Whitepine Hobby. We've got Eddie, and he's a buddy of ours. And Gavin over there, he's doing it up. We're having us a Traxxas day out here at Panther Creek. I want you to see this right here. Got the Bronco. We've got the brand new K10. Look at that sweet thing. There it is, another Traxxas. Traxxas day is all around, boys. Hey, stay with us. We're gonna check all these things out and get them up here in some daylight. And we're gonna look at them. We're gonna look them all over. Aren't those sharp? Man, oh man. That K10 is beautiful. Look at that truck. Yes. Anyways, here we are with the Bronco and the K10 side by side. I want you to look, the K10 is just slightly longer than the Bronco on the wheelbase, center to center tire. And of course it stands up taller than the Bronco. You look underneath this K10 and see the bottom of the Bronco over there. Oh, this is so much fun, man. I'm excited about that K10 though. That big K10 just pushing stuff out of its way. Oh yeah, nice crawling right there. Shoot, yeah, man.
You're the only one out here not running the Traxxas?
I don't know. Oh, they just got some links.
Hey, made it up that part of it. Look at there. Those big 2.2 Traxxas tires. Woohoo! She's looking high. Oh, dude. There you got it. Heck yeah. This K10 is running those Canyon Trails 2.2 Traxxas tires on it. Hey man, this thing's performing really good with those things on it. It's really nice, man. I'm telling you now. Hey, you guys need to come out there to Whitepine Hobby in Tennessee, Whitepine, Tennessee, and check this shop out. Terry over here, he's just opened this shop. He had a little trouble getting her opened up, but he finally got her done. And I'm so glad to have a local hobby shop that's really local. It's about 15 miles from me now, and I'm just so happy to have him there. Heck yeah. Thank you, Terry.
Thank you.
There it is. There it is. Oh yeah. Look at that. See what that K10 clearance is like here on that top. You seen that Bronco bottomed out right there. See if this K10 can clear that rock. Oh man, that ain't teared off. Oh, I don't know about that one. That's a predicament. Straight vertical. Here, can I change your oil while you're there? We just proved that these things do flex. Look at that. Instead of breaking. Heck yeah. That's nice, Traxxas. Good call. Mirror flex there. All the way against the rock. That mirror is not breaking. That's awesome. Well, I'm impressed with this K10. I'm telling you now, I'm totally impressed with it. It is awesome. Ow. Oh yes. Tough K10 Chevrolet. The bow tie. Out and about on the rocks. There she took out. Yes. Alright. We're going to pull this body off this K10 Blazer. Or K10 HighLift truck. Look at that. All Traxxas stuff now. When you get this out of the box, you're going to have to set up for your scale brake, okay? And for crawling mode. And to do that, what you got to do is you got to push this button right here on your ESC. It's hard to see it on camera, I'm sure, but you got to shut her down. There it is. She's a flashing now. I think you're up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shut her off. Bring controller on. Turn the rig back on. See if we got scale brake real quick. Should have instant reverse too. Got it? That's it. One more thing about these bodies, they are that clipless system. Look at that. You line her up real quick, drops down in the groove, and clicks right into place. I love it. I'm loving it. Yeah, she'll come down that rock now. That's with the scale brake activated coming on down that incline. That's a heck of an incline too. Decline. Yeah. Yes, he made it. K10 is stock out of the box. I'm going to try to put some leverage here. You can see she definitely got some approach angle. You might have her hooked right there now. Canyon Trail's gonna bite. Or this Canyon Trail's gonna bite for him. Yeah. I think Traxxas knocked that one out of the ballpark with it. It's a nice truck, it really is. Drives good. I've had a ball with it. Heck yeah, and crawling with you guys. It's been fun. Been fun. Well, I'm telling you one thing for sure, Terry. That K10 kicks butt, man. I'm liking it a lot. You guys come out here to Whitepine, Tennessee, visit with Terry. Alright? At his Whitepine hobby shop out there. What's your address out there, Terry?
We're at 1210 State Street. We're right between Food City and Toro Mexican Restaurant.
Heck yeah. They also have a website. It's www.whitepinehobby.com. Go visit him. Hey, they'll take online orders, phone orders. What else kind of orders you take?
Anything that gets these things out the door.
I heard that. I heard that. Terry, man, I appreciate you letting me drive that daggone K10. That thing is awesome. I mean, totally awesome. Straight out of the box, running all stock stuff. It is just a remarkable outfit. Traxxas, you knocked this one out of the park. About the only thing we need to do to that, I do believe, is put a little bit of weight in the front end, and that thing will be sweet. Hey, y'all, thanks for watching. Peace out. Having fun. Laughing, playing, and RCing out here at Panther Creek with Terry from Whitepine Hobby with the new K10 Blazer. No, it's not a Blazer. It's a K10 truck.